So tonight's dinner will be roasted chicken. So join me in my garden and we'll pick up some ingredients like lemongrass, onions, and mint. Let's go! And of course, our best friend is here waiting. Okay, let's go to our onions. So here's my onion and we're now ready to pick up some. And my mint. So we'll grab these ones like this. And this one as well. There's more here. There's actually 3. That's excellent. So we'll get the ones in the middle so they can have more air. There you go. We'll grab this one. And we'll pick up some kalamansi. Here's my kalamansi. So here's my lemongrass. We'll grab one. So this is easy. You just have to grab it and twist it. There you go. So here are our ingredients. I have 2 kilograms of chicken. I have string onions or onions from my garden, rosemary, the lemongrass from my garden as well, garlic, pepper, red peppers, a whole lemon, calamansi, 2 tablespoon soy sauce, rosemary, sage, thyme, and black pepper, and a pinch of salt. I have 1 sachet of magic syrup and my paprika. I'll be using a little bit of paprika and a teaspoon of olive oil. So let's get started. First thing we need to do is soy sauce. A little bit of this. We'll do the rest later. Then so now we're ready. Okay, let's see. Our lechon is ready.